Hey everyone, welcome to the Brothers Art Hub. My name is David. If you want to draw a muffin, please follow along. Grab your pens, pencils, markers, or anything you have and follow along with me. First, let's start with a curve and little curves. Then we draw a triangle, a smooth one. Then we draw lines. Then we draw little arms. Then we draw eyes. Let's give a highlight. Don't forget a smile. Now let's draw sprinkles. Now let's color. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for having fun like I did. Please like and subscribe, and see you soon!